Good morning, traders. Good morning, Philippines. Starting off early here on the overnight session in the US. Um, Today's Wednesday, March 2nd, or no, I should say Wednesday, March 3rd. Um, so before I start, here is the usual disclaimer. Any comments made during this live stream should not be taken as an order to enter trades or should be considered as trading advice. This live stream is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how I trade the legacy strategy that I teach my students. Any past performance of the legacy strategy is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I'm neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader like most of the traders here that are trading. So right now I've entered a long position here, bouncing off the +1 deviation, as you can see there. Again, my target is 6 ticks. Hopefully we can get that. I'm hoping for a bounce off here. As you can see where we started, this is the beginning of the day, basically, right here. So this is the overnight session. We've already gone through here. We hit the minus right here is the minus, let me see here. 1, 2, basically a -2 deviation. So we are bouncing off between +1 and +2 deviation. I'm thinking of this going to bounce back, try to bounce back up to the +2 deviation, and that's how it usually goes. So we'll see if that's going to be the case here. Again, my first target is 6 ticks. My second target is 8 ticks. I may reduce this to 6 ticks depending on the movement on here. Oh, by the way, I have already taken a trade, 2 trades, matter of fact. What happened was I entered a position and I thought it would be a bit, I thought it was a bad entry. So I took maybe a 1.25, 1.25 point loss, but I'm trading 4 contracts, right? So the next one I was able to get my 6 tick target and my 8 tick target. So overall, I am up right now maybe $18. So that loss was compensated for, as you can see right here, right there. So right now I'm 1848. I started off right now with 101,813. Currently up $18. And if I do trade performance here, let me see, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, 3, 2. I'm looking at my log here. 11:13, 9:26, 9:20 p.m. Okay, right there. So we started off right here. As you can see the time here, 1:31 now. I started here at 9:20 p.m. Eastern. So this is overnight session. So basically I had 43.75. I'm now up 44.75. So total net is 1 point. I'm on 1 point right now. So we'll wait what happens here. Again, basically being evaluated to get a funded account of 100,000. This is basically my third day. Again, if I average around between 800, anything above 600 net, it'd be good because this is my third day. If I can do that from this point on, I should be able to reach a 6,000 profit goal given in 10 days. So, no pressure. Just be consistent again with the strategy that I teach for this path, this express funding. And I don't recommend it for beginners. It's more for advanced traders. Um, just as long as you're consistent, because you have to be very disciplined. You have to have that discipline first. A beginner usually doesn't have the discipline because right now they usually go after how much money they can make. So that's why I would strongly not urge them to do this express funding. I would recommend, once they go through my uh, Gold Mastermind course, if they don't have enough funds to fund their own account, I would then recommend to do Earn to Trade, uh, which I will show you how to pass that as well using this new tweaked system that I've come up with. It's more of a scalping system. Keeps you consistent, right? You have to know the entries. Right now, I'm using more advanced entries here, but for beginners, the advanced or the basic strategies, the entries that I teach them would suffice. You just have to be patient about it. That's all. So right now, this is more of an advanced strategy. I'm bouncing off a +2 deviation. We'll see if that's going to bounce off or not. So while that's going on, I will put this to mute and we'll see what happens to this trade. Okay. So I've moved my second target to from 8 ticks to 10 ticks. Let's see if we can hit the second target. Yeah, I moved it down to 6 ticks. Because I can see the MACD kind of flipping. We'll see if that's gonna. That's why I kind of moved it down to 6 ticks instead of 8 ticks. So I've reached, I extended to 8 ticks. It hit my 8 tick target there. So that again, just this overnight market is slow, but you don't have what we call the a lot of erratic movements that you will see. That you've seen my last video or my last live stream during the morning session. A lot of uh, what we call erratic movements, where it really doesn't even no logic. Put it that way. There's really no logic, or no technical analysis can really explain what the price movement. So, anyways, this is where I'm at right now. I was able to get now I'm a total of. Let me see here. I started 9:26 p.m. at 43.75. So I am up 8 points already for this session. Again, here I started 9:29 p.m. Balance then was at 43.75. I'm now at 51.75. So total of 8 points I've made so far. My goal for a daily goal is actually 14 points, right? That's what I said yesterday. Again, this is my third day on this combine, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'll show you the combine. Again, this is strictly for, wait, before that, here's my total right now. So you guys would see this. Here's my total right now for today. I've made gross 400 less the commissions and fees. So I'm up 352. My balance is now 102,166. That's my current balance. So, like I said, if I can make another net of at least 600, that's my minimum. I've reached my goal again. It would be 600. I've learned a new scalping method or strategy as well as another Phil Am from the States. His name is, we call him Supremo, but he came up with a scalping system called King, what is, I forgot the name, King Cobra. You know what? I have it labeled here. So hold on. I have a label here. I had to find out what it is. King Shark. That's it, and it does pretty well. In fact, I demoed it yesterday during the morning session, and I made how many trades did I make? I made a total of I think it was 26 trade. All in all, it was like 10 trades, right? So I made over $1,000. 100% wins. And these are scalping strategies. It goes pretty fast because NQ moves pretty fast. I'll try it on this combine as well and see how it goes. Maybe for 5 trades. We'll see how it goes. I will videotape. In fact, I will live stream that. I think my next session. So right now it's too early. It's not moving that much. Let me see if I'm looking at the NQ. Okay, let me see if I can get this right here. I have a possible NQ here. So I want to make sure that I have my strategy here. So let's do this. I'm going to enter right here. Uh, Hold on. Where is this? Just to make sure I get the right entry here because it's very important. So let me see here. Okay, there we are. Where is the price right now? 30, it's 39. Well, 40, 70.
Order submitted.
It's coming off a level right now, so I'm not really gonna. Okay, so here, we'll try this. A pending order there for a buy. And basically, this is the creating 4 contracts on this. You know what? I may even have a better chance right here. So 36. Okay, maybe I might have a better chance here. Let me see here. Let me try this.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Mm. So we'll see how this is going to work out. Usually it moves a lot faster during the morning session. Um, Let me see here. Just pulling up my record here. So basically $100 net is around right here, 84. So I made a total of 84 in that one. Here's the net. Here's the NQ, right? This is the NQ. You can see right here. This is right here. So I made 84 net, trading 14 contracts, or 14 contracts, 4 contracts. So it's quite expensive if you look at this. 394. See that for one contract as compared to 394 as well, right? Now here's the difference between this. NQ per tick is $5. So my target there was 4 ticks. So I had to trade 4 contracts just to get 100 gross, where in reality it's basically 84 net. Whereas in ES, that's why I trade ES. One contract, this is basically right here is 6 ticks, $75, and that's basically 70. So, NQ, bottom line, NQ is valued at $5 per tick. Therefore, you have to trade more contracts. But like I said, the strategy, this you can easily win 100% of the time. That was my first win on that one. And basically, your thing is what, $84, right? $84 per win, right? Not the 100, but 84. And that goes pretty fast. So right now, my balance right now is now at 100, 2,250. Again, so far I've made a net of 436, $500 gross. So again, my thing is making 14 points just in the ES. So with that, I am done for this session. I could have easily traded this right here, bouncing off. Well, I did trade that. Okay. So anyways, this is NQ. Hold on. Let me get NQ out of there. Here, there, bounced off, which it did. So you put NQ back there. So those people who want to trade NQ, it moves pretty fast, and that 4 ticks goes really fast, especially during the morning session. Other than that, talk to you guys later. Hopefully later today. Another overnight session thing. Well, hopefully another opportunity presents itself. Again, my goal is to make 14 points. And right now I am at, I think I showed it to you, at 8 points. That's not including NQ, okay? Just on ES. So right now I'm up 8 points. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. In fact, here in the Philippines, it's right now, it's 12:20 p.m., lunchtime. So enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Stay safe. And as always, God bless. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.